Let a bar is equal to I minus j, b bar is I plus j plus k, and c bar is a vector such that a bar cross c bar plus b bar equal to the null vector 0. Then a bar dot c bar equal to 4. Then modulus of c bar square is equal to what here? In this case, this is given equation here. A bar cross of c bar plus b bar is equal to 0. Then taking a cross product of a bar on both sides here. So a bar cross of a bar cross c bar plus b bar is equal to a bar cross of the null vector 0 here. Then take this a bar inside here. A bar cross of a bar cross of c bar. Okay, then plus a bar cross b bar here. A bar cross of b bar. This gives 0. Right side becomes 0. You know this vector triple product formula. A bar cross of b bar cross of c bar is equal to cross product vector triple product here. A bar dot c bar. A bar dot of c bar into middle vector b bar here. Vector b bar minus a bar dot b bar. A bar dot of b bar into this c bar, the vector c bar here. Okay, I repeat once again. A bar dot c bar into the vector b bar minus a bar dot b bar into the vector c bar here. Therefore, using that formula, a bar dot c bar, a bar dot of c bar into this vector a bar minus a bar dot a bar, a bar dot of a bar into this vector c bar, then plus here. A bar cross b bar is there. They are already given a bar and b bar vectors here. So determinant of a bar cross b bar is determinant of I j here. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 1 and 1 here. So 1 1 and 1 that is equal to 0. Okay. A bar dot c bar, they are already given here. A bar dot c bar is a 4, so use here. So write here 4 into a bar minus of here a bar dot a bar is there. You know property of dot product here. A bar dot a bar is a modulus of a bar square here. Therefore root of modulus of a bar here. So root of 1 square plus minus 1 square here, and the square is there whole square. Okay, modulus of a bar means root of 1 square plus or minus 1 square here, and the square is there, so write a square. Square root and square cancels here. Here 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here. Therefore a bar dot a bar is 2 into c bar, 2 into the vector c bar, and expand this determinant here, so plus n is there, so write a plus I into minus 1 into is a minus 1, minus 1 into 0 becomes 0, minus of j, 1 into 1 becomes 1, minus 1 into 0 becomes 0 here. Then plus k into 1 into 1 becomes 1, minus of 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1, minus minus plus 1, that is equal to 0. Take minus 2c right side here, it becomes plus 2c bar. So right here 4 into a bar is there. Here a bar is this vector I minus j. So I minus of j here. Minus 1 into I is a minus of I. Minus j into 1 minus j here. And plus 2 into k, 2k, plus 2k. Take a 2 c bar right hand side here. It becomes minus of 2 into c bar here. Yes, 4 into I, 4i minus I becomes a 3i. It is a 3i. 4 into j minus 4j minus 4j minus j minus 5j minus 5j and plus 2k. Plus 2k is equal to the vector c bar here. Therefore 2 into c bar. Take it to this side here. Yes, c bar is equal to 3i minus of 5j plus 2k divided by this cross multiply. Therefore, modulus of c bar is given by modulus of c bar is 1 by 2 constant here. Then root of 3 square is 9 minus 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 4 here. Therefore, modulus of c bar 1 by 2 into root of so 25 plus 4 29 plus 9 38 here. So squaring on both sides here, modulus of c bar square is equal to 38 divided by 4. Then 2 19s are 2 2s are 19 upon 2 here. So B is the answer here. So modulus of c bar square is equal to 19 divided by 2. If a bar, b bar, c bar be any three non-coplanar vectors, then the scalar triple product is equal to what here? Okay, actually this is a standard result here. Second option is correct here. This is equal to 2 into this one. This is standard result. Remember it here. Even though I am explaining the result here, how we can it? The solution of this example is this is a scalar triple product here. Hence a bar plus b bar dot of b bar plus c bar cross of c bar plus a bar. Okay. So this is nothing but this one scalar triple product here. Therefore a bar plus b bar keep as it is here dot of. Here multiply the terms, cross product is there. B bar cross c bar. B bar cross of c bar plus b bar cross a bar. B bar cross of a bar plus c bar cross c bar. C bar cross of c bar plus c bar cross a bar. C bar cross of vector a bar. Hence this is equal to a bar plus b bar here dot of. So c bar plus c bar is a 0 because it is a property of cross or product here. A bar plus a bar is a 0. Hence c bar plus c bar is also 0. This becomes a 0. Okay. Hence b bar cross of c bar plus b bar cross of a bar plus c bar cross of a bar here. Okay. Then multiply that term here, dot product is there. Multiply a bar with these three terms here. So therefore this is equal to a bar dot of this one. A bar dot of b bar cross c bar. Then plus a bar dot of this term. A bar dot of so b bar cross a bar. Then plus a bar dot of this term here. A bar dot of c bar cross of a bar. Then plus multiply b bar with these three terms here. Middle dot product is there. So b bar dot of b bar cross c bar. B bar cross of c bar plus b bar dot of this one here. B bar dot of b bar cross a bar. B bar cross of a bar plus b bar dot of this term here. So b bar dot of c bar cross a bar. C bar cross of a bar. So again there is a property of a scalar triple product here. So in the scalar triple product, if two vectors are identical here, then the scalar triple product becomes a 0. A bar and a bar, same vectors are there. If in a scalar triple product, two vectors are identical, in that case, scalar triple product becomes a 0. Here all the vectors are different here, so write this one as it is. A bar dot of B bar cross C bar keep as it is here. Here A bar and A bar two vectors are identical, same vectors are there, so this becomes a 0. Here A bar and A bar two vectors are identical, so this becomes a 0. Then a plus. Here B bar and B bar two vectors are identical, this is also 0. Here two vectors are identical, B bar and B bar same vectors are there, even that is also 0. Then a plus. There is one more property here. If A bar, B bar, C bar is the changing the cyclic order. If vectors change in the cyclic order, then the scalar triple product remains the same here. That is A bar dot B bar plus C bar. A bar dot of B bar cross of C bar is equal to B bar dot C bar cross C bar here. C bar cross of A bar is equal to C bar dot of A bar plus B bar here. A bar cross of B bar. This is a property of a scalar triple product here. Here B bar dot C bar plus A bar. B bar dot C bar plus A bar is nothing but A bar dot B bar plus C bar here. Hence A bar dot of B bar cross of C bar. Yes, sir, both scalar triple product are same here. Therefore, we can write it 2 into A bar dot of B bar cross of C bar. This is nothing but the scalar triple product A bar, B bar, C bar. This is one more notation here. Okay, both are same here. So, therefore, 2 times scalar triple product A bar, B bar, C bar. This is a standard result here. Remember it here. If the vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are 3 coplanar vectors, then the scalar triple product A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus A bar is equal to what here? If the vectors are coplanar here, then scalar triple product are 0 here. A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. Therefore, the scalar triple product is a 0. It's a property of a scalar triple product here. So therefore, we know that from previous example here, we know that the scalar triple product A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus A bar here. Okay. Sometimes they are taking commas here, otherwise they are giving like this only. In both cases, it represents scalar triple product here. So this is equal to 2 times the scalar triple product here. This is a standard result here. But this is a 0 here. 0 into 2 becomes a 0. 2 into 0 is equal to 0 here. Therefore, D is the correct option. D is the answer. If x bar is parallel to the two vectors y bar and z bar, they given x bar, y bar and z bar vectors, then alpha is equal to what here? If x bar parallel to y bar and z bar, then x, y, z are coplanar vectors here. X bar is parallel to y bar and z bar here. Therefore, the vectors x, y, z are coplanar. They are coplanar. Therefore, x bar dot of y bar cross of z bar is equal to 0. So therefore, determinant of so x bar is a 2, 1 and alpha here. Then alpha 0, 1. Then 5 minus 1 0, that is equal to 0. Expand the determinant here, so 2 into bracket 0 into 0 becomes 0 minus of minus 1 into is a minus 1, minus plus 1 here. Minus 1 into alpha into 0 becomes 0 minus of 5 ones of 5 here. Then plus alpha into minus 1 is minus of minus 5 into 0 becomes 0. that is equal to 0. Therefore 2 ones are 2, minus into minus of plus 5, and alpha into alpha square minus of alpha square equal to 0. 5 plus 2 becomes 7 is equal to alpha square. Hence alpha is equal to plus or minus root 7 here. So C answer.